My people, you all remember that just recently we talked about Ibeto's latest massive investment in Port Harcourt. Yes, the fully functional Ibeto's Seaport terminal in Port Harcourt, which many are already calling one of the best seaports in the country.
Custom services, Ibeto, Seaport and Terminal. Area 5 Command, Port Harcourt. Join me.
Terminals where we stack containers and general cargoes and bulk cargoes, as case may be. Okay, we have also in our premises warehouses, for our clients to make use of when their vessel arrive or for export purposes, storage purposes.
Over here is the shipbuilder Ibeto Seaport and Terminal. At Ibeto Seaport Shipbuilding Department, we have our heavy crane SCMG, 220 tons.
Are you an importer? Are you an exporter? Are you a clearing agent? And you've not been here? You need to visit and see the wonders these people are doing here when it comes to services.
People prefer to use our terminal because we as a seaport, we have modern machineries to cover 24 hours operations here. And we have a friendly port officials also that will help to solve any of your problem within the port area.
We have positions of the Nigerian Ports Authority, Nigerian Immigration, Nigerian SON, and so on and so forth. NAVDAC, Port Police, they are all situated. All the arms of the government of Nigeria, both security and otherwise, are here, taking care of all the goods that are coming to Ibeto Seaport. Seeing is believing. Try us and you can't go to any other place. The kind of services we render has not been given to any seaport in Nigeria.
This seaport was established for more than 2 years now, and we have been into operation. We handle bulk cargoes and also containerized goods. So all we are seeking is for the support of our people, because if they keep supporting us, we will thrive. And the support can only come from our people, importers, wherever they are, exporters. We can handle their cargoes. So we are all seeking for their support.
Now, this is the latest development making waves online. A luxury mansion allegedly owned by Igbo Billionaire Chief Cletus Ibeto and is currently trending across social media. Well, according to reports, this mansion, or is it safe to call it a castle, is said to be valued at a staggering 4 billion naira. Hey, 4 billion. From the video and photo circulating, the property appears to be a high-end luxury residence featuring modern architectural design, expansive space, and premium finishing that clearly reflects wealth at the highest level. Although it is not fully completed, but this development has sparked mixed reactions online. While some people are praising Ibeto's success and years of investment across industries, others are questioning whether such an amount is justified for a single residential property. Supporters argue that Ibeto is a long-standing industrialist whose contributions to Nigeria's economy, especially in manufacturing, cement, oil and gas, and maritime investments, speak for themselves. Critics, however, believe the cost raises questions about wealth display in a country facing serious economic challenges. So my people, the question is simple. Do you think a 4 billion naira mansion is worth it? Is this a symbol of hard work and success, or an example of excess? Take a close look at the visuals and let us know your thoughts in the comments section.